Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ideas from Canny to Productboard, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer ideas from Canny to Productboard, start by logging into your Canny account. Locate the ideas you want to transfer in your Canny dashboard. Select the desired idea by clicking on it. Once the idea opens, check for any relevant details such as comments and votes. Copy the idea title for easy reference. Next, switch to your Productboard account. Navigate to the Ideas section in Productboard. Click on the Add Idea button to create a new entry. Paste the idea title into the appropriate field in Productboard. Now, go back to Canny and copy the detailed description of the idea. Return to Productboard and paste this description in the designated area. If there are any important comments, summarize and include them in the Notes section. Assign the idea to the appropriate team member or project within Productboard. Check if you need to set a priority level for the idea and do so accordingly. Once everything is filled out, click Save to finalize the transfer. Repeat these steps for any additional ideas you want to transfer. After transferring, review your Productboard ideas to ensure everything is accurate. You have now successfully transferred ideas from Canny to Productboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.